modules. So we can open up the wizard and they have select the design file extension modules. So you select the first module. For example, if you connect to 04 TC-S, then set up. Then if you would like to read the data for the average sources, so I read it and add by using the M1. Okay, I select 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3. Is every second I read one type value, and I read the data into the D hundreds, and I read the full data. So I can add the list. Then I can preview here. Is add the list. So they will generate a program for you. Or you also would like to set what the type. So we can write when I use the M100s. Then I set the every channel to, for example, the K type. And the other channel 3 is for is a J type. Then I also can preview here and add the list, so that will show this. And I also would like to read the error status, so I can read error status. And this read data, I put the 200s, just one word, preview and add it, then set the OK, and select OK. They will generate a program for you. So you see this is M1013. So every half second, they turn on and turn off the read the data. So I can change this one just rising age. Just double click here, and this is also I can reach double rising age. Okay, that's it. So you compile it, so they will read all the data into from the status from C control register CR6. They read back into the D100s, 101, 102, 103. So you can read the temperatures. So average the temperature value, and this is for the set the control type. This is for the read the